How do you set up a required customer prepayment on an order, notify the customer, and collect the prepayment in Cetec ERP? Before you can add a prepayment requirement to a quote, you first need to make sure that that prepayment type is set up as an option in your system. To do so, navigate to Admin. Maintenance. Data Maintenance. Click into the 9 Terms Data Maintenance table. If the prepayment type you want is not already set up in the table, click Add Record. Enter a terms code. This is a required field, and the simplest option is to just set it to the same number as the corresponding ID number on the left. Type a description for this term. In the Is Credit Card or Prepaid column, enter a 1. Enter a value in the Prepay Percent field. Enter just the number, not the percent symbol. To save your changes, click Submit. Now go back to your quote. If you already had the quote open before you added the new prepayment terms and are returning to the screen, you'll need to refresh the page, Ctrl+R, to ensure your new terms option shows up. Next, click the pencil icon in the quote header. Click on More Options at the bottom of the header area. In the Terms field that is now visible, select your new prepayment term option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click the orange OK button to save your new term selection. You'll now see a message displayed at the top of the quote screen telling you that this order requires a prepayment of a certain amount. To see how the prepayment appears on the pro forma invoice, click Send Plus in the left side menu. Then click Pro Forma PDF. The invoice header will now show the prepayment as long as you have the PDF set to show terms information. See the checkboxes above the PDF. The bottom of the invoice will also reflect the down payment amount. Click View and Edit on the left to return to the main quote screen. You have the option to take a prepayment using the prepaid link on the left, or you can take the prepayment at the order stage. Let's say you want to wait until the order stage to take the prepayment. In that case, your next step is to commit the quote to order using the Commit to Order link on the left. Now, from the left side menu of the order screen, click Prepay. A pop-up window will appear where you'll enter the prepayment details, like the amount, payment method, and credit card number if applicable. You can reference the Calculate Prepayment Amount section at the bottom of the window as needed. Once you have entered the payment information, click Prepay to put the payment through. Back on the order screen, note that an Order Prepaid message has replaced the previous Order Requires Prepayment message. To view any prepayments that have been processed on this order, go to the left and click Prepayments Plus. Then click into the prepayment. Now you know how to set up a required customer prepayment on an order, notify the customer, and collect that prepayment in Cetec ERP.